yapade nyina ema wo mo na yenkoda so de a sugar factory eno ewo commandant sabri no commander sabri no empanifo ya hyehye se yemfa ema China fo emfi sei emunsem ewo ha yede ebema mo orofo kase yede enam sa emfidie we so ena yede mamo na OCP fertilizer sabri wono ena aso ya senese yemfa kase emre wo 21st clinic sabri wonam to beya onam Europe say sabri Ghana fo nyada siatika ye wo mo no obetu ase na wode ama wo mo ewo Europe kase de me ameke kan e de ama wo o say ya aboaji fosuo ye gibre na yentie kase mu ensem Omampani na adodankwa Akufuado esuketu wo yi pebre Ghana fo nya akokoduro to abade ma no ene Ghana fo de city yi ema no o de Ghana ekobosha asase so ene free education what the buy ekwan ahodo pinua ene wo ye omam ha ene Ghana fo dodo no na agi na die sabre no edan bia wo bia no e wo takrade Ghana GNPC F4 ena wakwakosi edi ama wo mo na wo ye adwuma no anya ba bia ntena so a empempi no ya na ma adwuma etosini ene 7-story building ene wakwako bia no wabra wo bia no no ne semo kan yibini.
This new headquarters is strategically positioned to serve as the hub for GNP's operations, particularly in the Western region, which remains the epicenter of Ghana's oil and gas industry. By situating this important facility here in Takoradi, we acknowledge and honor the considerable contribution of the Western region to our national economy. This is not merely a symbolic gesture. It is a practical move aimed at bringing the operations of GNPC closer to the heart of the petroleum industry, thereby enhancing efficiency and fostering closer collaboration with domestic stakeholders. The establishment of this headquarters will have a multiplier effect on the local economy.
Eni aye kotie ye eye asuketu a woyi pebre Ghana fo nyina to aba edema no omampani na adodankwa Akufuado sese no ni fie nwotwe wie na ode baton no bema hwan eno so akwa ya asem foforo soafo a wono ene hwe ya ho de nam so ono ne Herbert Krampa dwumadi na se no ho okasa kakra.
Mr. President, your strategic vision of having an operational office here in Takoradi will make GNPC more efficient and more responsive in managing our oil and gas resource. Mr. President, your vision will have instant impact on the local economy here in Takoradi and the Western region. Ancillary businesses will be attracted, jobs will be created, local talents will be located, and economic activity will boom overnight. The benefits of this project, direct and indirect, are about to change the lives of hundreds of thousands of people because one man saw ahead and saw it through.
Energy Minister Herbert Krampa ne ena yekotie ye no na atoye mantam so afo kwabena wojere da ko mensa dwumadi na se no ho na nasem oka ye nyina ne se nya ne nwanwa edan ye yesi ye nyina no na ye na adodan ko Akufuado Ghana mampani na niso ade hunu so obesi sa da no enuti ne mani se.
On behalf of the chiefs and people of the Western region, that we thank you so much for the promises you keep fulfilling for the Western region. Mr. President, this GNPC operational headquarters, the Energy House, is a project we believe will make Western region and Takoradi the backbone and the back office for the oil and gas industry in Ghana. Mr. President, we want to see this building being the decision-making place of oil and gas in this country.
Atoye mantam so afo onimonyafo kwabra wachire da ko mensane ena yekotie yeto akase ne so ne de amamu a kamya yeso o man Ghana wo bamu a adwuma ya aban dia no ye yensiesie ana maintenance ya na edne pa and the Sayuntino, if we have some trade that they could do baby as a sano. Eti udwani HM ewa Ghana National Gas Company. Wama sema mo Kenya say omu be yensiesi e free enwada 1st August ye eko 17th August nto mu be yensiesi. San same we nyina de wode etu dwa eye pani pa ono na ye corporate communications director NS Owusu Ebempa ono na the same we etu dwa.
The safety protocols of the gas facility or the gas infrastructure. We need to do some critical maintenance on the gas infrastructure. And it's very important that as a company, we adhere to the protocols and do the right thing to make sure that the facility has an efficient operational, uninterrupted operational activities going on within the gas processing plant. And so we decided to prepare the protocols for critical maintenance, and that is to change a lot of things and also make sure that the gas processing plant lifespan is maintained. It's one of those things that we do. And so the plant has been shut down from the 1st of August, which is today, to the 17th of August. Actually, the engineers told us that it's going to be on the 15th, but we thought that when they are doing regasification and making sure that they push the gas and all.
Penny Power no ena corporate communications Emma Ghana Gas NS Bempane ena yekoti yeno na ewiase sentifu ni wa pejafo ewo ho ne sayonti se Ghana Gas wono okwa ahugiem anaso okwa akoyensiesi ana no kyerese mframaja gas no yenya bi emfanya de se ye wo Ghana mha ne sayonti no Independent Power Producers IPPS Penny Power no ena da no Emma wo mo Dr. Eklim na ne di we de anoten pa Sabre wo masem wo mo kanyina ene se Ghana Gas ekọ no akoyensiesi a omuso ebetumi aginam na wahwe se Ghana fo benya enframaja gas ni bi na oso ade ni dwuma ne sayonti ne panifo hwe se enyoma ne akade bi a ebeboa ama omudwumadi akonkan no etise fuwe no ombetumi anya bi no omde adu omudwuma yenkotie doctor ne kasaye.
Including the gas pipeline is a very important thing. Once maintenance is due, I think time must be allowed for it to be done. It is just an industry practice, and it is required that our managers of the sector do proper planning and coordination to help mitigate the adverse effects on the electricity supply during the maintenance period. Definitely for us as power producers, once fuel is not coming, it's going to affect the production. So it is required that our people, our managers, government will make available an alternative fuel supply, and also this fuel that will be made available should be optimized.
Producers were done with my Ghana, my Dr. Eklim, ne ena yekoti yeno. Ono for yantu akasiena so enfama Ghana this year. Enkamia yezu o my Ghana se oba o mamha. Adwumaku ya aban de ane pinua akodi mrofo ho. Omye manfrafo. Enka kachana fo a omwani ekodonkodonko se de mimina di omwani no. Ghana japade dodo no na akodi omo no mote so mfaso. Onya sika na dollar no na odi kodi kurom onfantena ha se de Ghana de hye yeso bete so mfaso na ene yenkoda nso de a awrahosem ne anwanwasem a abeto sompa ya pronso ne se soafo a wono ene hwedwadie ene enwuma so no onemonyafo keti hamon fifi mantemu commander edina eguafo ebrem okonsrahwe wo ho na ensrahwe wo koye no ena ofa sugar factory ho na asem a wo kanyina ne se empanifo yenhyehyeye se wanhwe yie sa sugar factory o de bema China fo na China fo a wo de ema wo mo no o de ma wo mo mfie dunum eko mfie aduonu so na yebeden anya sikyire ede ama Ghana fo nkoda anum koku empanifo so di asikyire ye kura no na ye nige sem se Ghana no yenya asikyire factory ne sa yo ntire bema asikyire bo abafom enade ne yekote sese suafo asem a wo kanyina ne se adwuma no ekofom enentino se wo de ma China fo no mfie dunum ane aduonu so a adesia ewo fifi mantem benya adwuma ye ne sa yo ntino said the Ghana for a produce as no ebedi manfrafo ihu a ebekọ soro pa ne say ontino asichire enso ebekọ fom yenko tie soafo
Commander Sugar, I need to buy almost a young time, Ghana, and almost started so Musia when the cricket to start with. Macron was some parliament, and I sway the Fidea woman 2014, a day by Musia. Neboro, would way I had to see whom you not double, way near now. I was Neboro about 18 million United States. Dollars no. Startup no, almost the way the capacity half no, almost the 18 million. Almost the end of 1 cent in a year. It's carrying almost the year no, 1 cent in a year. And now almost how do you go? I go out the Sabato. I go out the Sanko Pesica. Yeah, about 50 million, 45-50 million Ghana cedis. The side about what to do. Would you be able to get on over here? That's the way you see the class. Where I did so the share say ya na ayese ano ya de ano na butu say ina ya yesi we ya de bibia nkwesiwe ana kakra ya brego sabi companies no ba say ya si awie na mo ma hwe se mbetwe e boy gba o mo ba ka ho ana o mo ko o ba ka ho o mo ko si say papi o gina hwe woni na butu afro mo fi India na o mo so o mo ba hwe say ne kakra bra ya bra ho ne ya yiro o mo market on between I come my young farmer won no may. Didn't I will say almost say I don't think you be a was I
so for no and a share day and you feel the Juma show or the Monya for Katie Hammond and Slasha or the coffee mountain and or the money. I was sugar factory hot na sabrino the ekeka kon de wan hwe bekwa kudi chana fo no said the wo si ekeka keka no onofo yenko IGP akache IGP de nsem bia tudwa dwumadie bia ko so na Ghana report for omo na ehhehye sa dwumadie we na IGP onimnyafo dampare ekopie dwumadie na se na asem a wo kan nyina na se he ensem twrofo montromo boase Essential yesimo akonkonsafo de mubehu bia mobeka ne sayo ntino mi tumofo muntie na sopam na futu ayentie ne na sopam nyina ne se essential no yaya wompam jene eduru ba bia asem bia ekowu abekra yen na yade yehwene ehuahua yehua sososo ayaya ne ba beka dan pares woni essential ni asem ne mom se eduru baby na se panie free top form eduru baby na se mi ba ne ade ahwini ehuahua eduru baby ansantwerofo ya hwehwem enkosiase ansa na ye de baba betudwa na ekokoba ne se first nunsuo me na me de ba ya me na me kan ya wan hwe ye ye betwe atwe ebe makorabo kura na ebo ne se bekwa akofo owie na aba ne sa yo no nti kura wode afutuo magana fo nsantwerofo se abatu aye baba betuo ye kogina baby na ye kwa akova information bia ye mamu na ho fan na awia na ebom ne se ye nkamu nukure se de beya enkofa entokwa emafie bim enkofa ntokwa emabusua bim nempo enkofa entokwa ne metwe ema manyokuo bim ema Ghana enkoye sakasaka yenkotie dampare IGP
has the potency to render all of us homeless and countryless. We cannot afford that. We also know that when it comes to elections, the tension in the environment leads to a situation where these evil forces of our very survival becomes something that needs to be checked and checked immediately. Important, as my big brother, the former National Security Coordinator, mentioned, is the fact that if we look at the principle of free speech and we are not careful to look at its limitations, we will end up taking no action when it comes to fighting misinformation and disinformation.
Ani aye kotie ye eye pani pa wo ba Ghana police adwuma ko nim aboda no oromonyafo dampare ene yekotie na futu a wode mansentwerefo na yekotie bi no wo man sia kan ni wura onimonyafo akufo ado ne dia na ono ne asuketu a wo yipebre Ghana fo nya adaje to abade man no ni mfie ngwotwe awie odofo na asem a wo kan nyina ne se eduru ba bia entwanto so ye pa Enunti amanyoko NDC diobehu a obeka no omanenye nokure na ensem ne ntonsem a woka efa no akufuado ene na amanyoko MPP ho no ya na ano ohye ano odi yipa na sesi a no dia beto dwane agapade o se e fabricated story assemble ni woka dia to no so yakoti na adodanko akufuado.
In the run up to the 2008, 2012 and 2016 presidential elections, and Madam Sani, I'm not here to settle scores. I was the target of numerous false and malicious stories aimed at attacking my credibility and integrity. In 2008, baseless allegations of drug trafficking were spread, along with numerous rumors about my health intended to cast doubt on my ability to serve as president. President Kufuor was also accused in 2008 of having sold all of Ghana's gold reserves. Again, the 2012 election saw false reports of my alleged arrest in London for drug possession and fabricated quotes designed to stir ethnic tensions. In 2016, it was alleged by sympathizers of the opposition that I had killed my late wife. Today, with a few months to the December 2024 elections, they are at it again. A fabricated document entitled Ejapadia is being peddled around by operatives of the opposition.
Amapani na adodanko akufuado na atuna num tuo no o se sabire no ensem wa ye omkeka to no so no ebi wo ha yipa na upetumi nso so a eni kwan se okeka nsem bi a enimu ejuru ba bi kura na omse ne yira wafiri mu fira santema pon ne ku no eno NDC for na ekeka ena de ada beto adwa kura se japade no so document bi a omode egu nanimu ase na abatro no enya animgu ase ne de wini onwuma pa obeka kire Ghana fo se wo ba obeyo no eno ne be me ato abade ama ho omapani na adodankwa akufuado na yekoti no Oba wo man Ghana mu a adwumaku abatoɔ ɛhye wo monsa na ɔmohwe abatoɔ so ɛne eduru abatoɔ so dia ɔmo wo posu pa ne aban kora woni posuo ɛne ɛya abatoɔ komisa ɔmo dwumadie no ano ɔdin yi pa na sabre no ɔde na miensa asi hɔ sɛ obi a obɛkɔ akɔ register enkoda no a afen wadi emfie du ngotwe no nkɔ register said ye be ya December 7 for no Ghana fo kɔ kyerɛ wo madwene na ye kɔto aba hwan ye kɔto aba de ma no eno ya sensebe eno tinamiensa wo yisi hɔ no 3 August na ebetwa mu na ye kopie mu ɛwɔ tepa ene ne mpotamu wa bra Sompa nsɛmtwerɛfo ye ne Amidu a aka Haji sofo atwetwe nkɔmɔ no ono na ye youth organizer ema NDC amanyuku no ɛwɔ hɔ dia ben ni siwo limited registration ase
so far anapedia e buy do about 6 o'clock do na isi for bi aba different mo body ama so be 7 o'clock time we say start the body there now ya start the body time na pepe so far the anapedia aha yeah also kama when we are in anapedia buy encanta any network problem there meeting be free Starting we can again this is starting on and contact network program.
Haji sofo na ya no ekwatwentwe komo no network bia ni wa ya kanta tache se koda no register. Yesem twironi Ebenezo Osu ansa onya akwanya any communication director Emos Rukoko Kwamanyoko na Hafuano South West constituency honorable Charles Nicholas so twetwe komo kakra.
Hadi MC bia boko board on some weapon a shas Canadian also one no ka say see any produce and I get me actually the board so anwa ebida but in so this registration anwa ba so what is about two machines no online na popo aba so ebida no so asomdwe wa ha bi akoso kama ena de enya network challenge bia network ngam kama adwumaji bi akoso
na enu achire no ena nkola totɔ fefe wa afei ena kɔtɔ foforo ma ba nsuo mu ombeba beto aba na o ma kyerɛ o mo adwene no akonya bai eni bi tiri atwetwe nkomo
Mama, Java can you over in a house? Nay, Nasato, Seputa, Palampo,
Bad, wide day. Say, come on, the bag, grab pound. She will do found, say, by the place.
Wana kwanya ba na afei na wotwero din abeto aba no ene ne omotwetwe nkomo no OCP fertilizer ewo dwaso odofo yenko na yenkopa bi na yemfa ne adwuma said ye be ya ufudie no beso doso no watumi ate na bibra no OCP fertilizer madika aka cho se kwa agrochemical bia no okoho a na wabusa se mipe OCP fertilizer de ode koyo no mba kirewo said obesi yesesa gu ufudie na ase ni nyina da yo ma said ye se wo mo kirewo 21st clinic ye clinic of the moment odofo Sabre de wapaja 21st can from baby ediko Europe tour or for the number no ne buku appointment said the beya siatica no emfa osisim akọ nase kokomi ho nyina no entim ya de eye papa yebetuma betu ase e de amount abrochimam Europe 0244915116 0244915116 neko na yentu siatica ya de no emfa emam aha ena brebema yede anopa no siakase no asie samufo eye onimonyamfo asante yebo a Benedict ye ene yeminua ba Sudella wabo adwuma wona miamia akoso asomua ose akoso asomua osade Sudella ono ene chinchin fidie no ede emaame ukonu nsuru room ho a obi aye na afam di anopa no siakase yetumi ede brewo na me ameje bre ekenkai ede ma wo midin ede ose ya aboaji fosuo 19 fosuo me na metrase adwam na mede kase nyina ebrewo ye mamu nyina monitia ade na ye so de akono ma hene yadubu ache ebetoa so na wache awiase nyina ache bye 25